PRY-CAM Home is the ideal solution to monitor electrical installations in the home for increased safety, full functionality and energy efficiency. PRY-CAM Home also allows to quickly carry out home electrical installations check tests and the production of a technical annex summarizing all the tests performed. Compact and easy to install, PRY-CAM Home consists of 2 units, master and plug, that allow key parameters of the home electrics to be measured and stored. This video shows how to install and use both units. The PRY-CAM Home Master Unit is installed into the electrical control panel or consumer unit in the home. First things first, make sure the mains power supply is switched to off. Remove the protective cover. Connect the phase, the neutral, and then the earth wire to the master unit. Connect the main power supply cables to the device's input terminals. Mount the device on the DIN rail of the control panel. Use the phase and neutral wires supplied with the PRY-CAM Master Unit to connect the device's output terminals to the main circuit breaker. Finally, connect the earth wire to the terminal. Once the installation is complete, restore the protection cover and turn the power on. The Master Unit is equipped with 2 LED lights that display the power status and the communication status of the device. Download PRY-CAM Home Pro app from either Google Play or the App Store to configure PRY-CAM Home. Sign in to create a new account or log into an existing account. Press the button on the Master Unit for approximately 5 seconds to switch to professional mode and activate the device's Wi-Fi access point. Select Plus on the app's dashboard and add the Master Unit. Enter the device's ID, the country where it is installed, and the installation's contracted power. Select Add Master to complete the configuration. Connect your smartphone to the Wi-Fi access point previously generated by the device in professional mode. Once the configuration is complete, the dashboard will display the newly added device and you'll be able to monitor the installation's key parameters. To carry out the test to certify an electrical installation with PRY-CAM Home, you will need the plug unit. The plug can be used only in combination with the master unit, which receives the electrical parameters relating to each one of the test points checked with the plug. The device is equipped with a pre-connectorized cable for use to test the various circuits. The LED lights on the device display the device's signals. LED display colors consistent with the phase and neutral connections mean that the phase and neutral sequence is correct. LED display red means there is no earth connection or that the electrical installation has no compliant earth wiring. Log into PRY-CAM Home Pro app to configure the plug device. From the dashboard's Plug tab, choose Plus to add the new device. Choose a name for the plug device and enter the serial number marked on the device. Select Add Plug to complete the installation. To perform the test on a home electrical installation, you will first need to check that the master's Wi-Fi access point is active or to generate it by pressing the button on the master unit for about 5 seconds. Connect your smartphone to the Wi-Fi access point generated by the master unit. Select the master unit relevant to the test from the dashboard and tap Connect. From the dashboard's Master tab, tap Data to use the multimeter function and display all of the installation's parameters. Tap Test to start. The circuits to be tested must be registered in the app prior to performing the tests, as well as all the test points for each circuit. Tap Plus to associate the test points to each circuit. For each test point, enter name, type, and choose the plug device that will be used. 4 types of test can be performed for each test point, and they are identified by different LED display colors. When all tests have been completed, then the test report can be submitted via email, directly from the main screen of the app, and tapping the related icon. The report is a technical annex and can be used to support the installation compliance certificate. PRY-CAM Home, for safer electrics and a more efficient home.